Hey guys, it is Judie here with My Life as Kikay. Welcome to today's video. I'm really excited. I know I say that in every video that I'm really excited, but I am actually excited every single time I get to film a video because I like to create videos where I talk about things that I'm actually excited about. There's no point creating a video if I'm not excited about the things that I talk about. Isn't that right? Anyway, what I am talking about in today's video is this month's Stylevana products. So these items were sent to me in PR by Stylevana. If you guys were not aware, Stylevana is a website where you can purchase trending Asian Korean beauty, makeup, skincare, shoes, clothes, fashion at an affordable and discounted price. And also you can use the code INF10Kikay if you want to save a little bit more on your purchase. And who doesn't want to save a little bit of extra dollars on their purchase? So anyway, this is their lucky bag. So basically Stylevana's favorites, best sellers, they put together in a lucky bag where the overall value of the items in the bag is almost $190, but you can get the bag itself for $82.99. So you're getting a decent amount of value within this bag here. So the items in this bag are all skincare items. I don't think there's any makeup in there, which I actually really super love. I've been only using skincare majority of this year. I now have makeup on today. What a difference. It's just nice to have a little bit of makeup on. I actually feel a little pretty. So I'm gonna just talk you guys through the items in this bag. Now, if you do purchase this item on their website, you're not gonna get exactly the items within this bag. So it's kind of like a lucky dip bag, kind of like a mystery bag, not mystery box, mystery bag. So you'll be getting a really nice selection of Korean beauty skincare. So that's very exciting to me. I don't know about you guys. If that is exciting to you and you'd like to see what I got in my Stylevana lucky bag, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, along with this lucky bag, Stylevana sent me this little box of Logically Skin. So I think that is the brand name. It's a 10 days trial kit, which you would think the items in the box would be really super tiny, but they're actually really decent sized items. This was a little added extra that Stylevana sent to me, but you can find this on the website. So within this box, there is an Aquatide multi-purpose mist. It's basically a toner. And you also get a resurfacing serum. So this is a serum that lightens and brightens the skin. This one is a multi-lifting cream. Not quite sure what that one is, but it's basically a moisturizer that helps target fine lines and wrinkles. And the last thing in the box is a cleansing foam. So this one is a very gentle cleansing foam basically for the skin. So that's a really cute little kit. It says 10 days trial kit, but these items all together would probably last me a little bit longer. If I wanted an all-in-one skincare collection, honestly, this kit wouldn't go astray. So I really like that kit. I have used a couple things from this brand before, and they're very good and gentle on the skin. I'm actually, you know what you guys, I'm actually gonna run a tiny little giveaway within this video because I've got a lot of skincare on the go at the moment and I don't actually need this one. So you know what? I'm gonna run a little giveaway if you are one of those lucky people watching this video. All you gotta do is comment down below and leave me your Instagram handle and follow me on Instagram. That's all you gotta do if you would like to win this little box set right here. Okay, now we're going to go into the lucky bag. Now, if you do order this lucky bag, you might not necessarily get exact same items in this bag. It's like a mystery bag. That's why it's called a lucky bag. So I'm just gonna show you what I got. The first thing is this baking powder pore cleansing foam. Now that's really super interesting. I know baking powder has been used before as like a skin cleanser, almost like a really gentle exfoliant on the skin. So this would be really super interesting to try out. This is from the brand called Etude House, and I'm just gonna have a little smell because I'd be interested to find out how this smells. Ooh, that smells really nice. I don't know if it's just the bag I'm smelling or the product itself. Ooh, that smells divine. It's not super fragrant. Oh, and as you rub it in, it becomes like a foaming thing. Oh, for some reason I thought it'd be kind of like almost like an exfoliant, but it's quite smooth, and I think if you use this in the shower, it'll really foam up and cleanse the skin really super well. Oh, it says pore cleansing foam. Of course it's gonna foam up. So excited to try that one out. It smells beautiful. Now the next few things look like masks. So we have a hair sheep steam mask. I'm not quite sure what hair sheet means. It's a hair mask. All the instructions on the back are in Korean, so I mean, obviously I can't read it, but a hair mask never goes astray. I'm pretty good with my skincare routine, but when it comes to my hairdresser friend will tell you my hair is terrible at the best of times. So a hair mask won't go astray. I'm actually looking forward to using that. I just gotta actually remember to use it. I think it's a hydrating one from what I can see on the pictures on the packet. All right, the next one is a banana milk face mask. I'm guessing it'd be like a hydrating mask. I honestly couldn't tell you anything about these products because it's all in Korean, but we all know that Korean skincare is one of the top sought after routines in the world. So I suppose you can't go wrong. This one is a foot pack, dry essence foot pack, enriched essence for soft feet. Ooh, they got all the masks for all the places. The next one is a collagen mask. We all know collagen is really super good for the skin. This one is a face mask. It feels really squishy. It controls sebum balance, which is kind of basically the oil that your skin produces. So basically, a face mask, which, you know, I keep trying to remind myself to use, but I don't do them very often. I do probably need to do them more often. And this one is a hyaluronic sheet mask. And I love hyaluronic acid. It's one of my most favorite skincare items, which I purchased from Good Molecules. If you guys want to purchase from Good Molecules, there's a link in the description box down below, and they're really affordable skincare, and I found it to be really super effective as well. So go check them out if you are so inclined. So yeah, that was a hyaluronic sheet mask. And this one is a clear spot patch, and I think it's only, it's like a pimple mask. So it says don't pop it, it says on the back, don't pop it, just leave it. So I think it's one of those masks that you place right on top of a pimple, which I will definitely keep in mind. I'm lucky to not have pimples very often, but when I do, I'm gonna put that on. All right, the next one is from a brand called Biore? I don't know how to pronounce that. It's a watery essence SPF 50, so I think it's like a water-based sunscreen. I don't know if that's such a thing. I'm kind of just guessing what these things are because, again, all of the language on the back is in Korean. But SPF never goes astray. Definitely need that in all of our lives, just protection from the sun. The next product is, this bag is just reminding me that I'm getting old. This product is an ultra nourishing treatment cream, Anti-Wrinkle. It helps with elasticity, rejuvenating, and nourishing. And it's kind of like, it looks like one of those yogurt suck packs, sucky bags. I don't know. Looks like one of them. It's probably like a sample type pack. I've got a lot of things to try now. The next item is a coconut hand cream. I'm always constantly washing my hands, regardless of whether or not I'm at work. I work in a kitchen, I'm a chef, so my hands are chef hands. Disgusting, gross, dry, always cracky and flaky. So coconut hand cream, definitely will use that. I'll probably should pop that in my handbag. The next thing is a Laneige Water Bank Hydro Essence. So it's like a toner. And I've heard that Laneige is a really super good brand as well. And there is still more to get out of the bag. We're getting through it though. This one is from the brand called Niacin. It's a brightening sleeping mask, and I like skincare that you apply at night because it's got overnight to work its wonders on the skin. Cute little package right there. Ooh, and it smells like lemons. I love that. Really, really nice. It smells very, very hydrating. And what I love about these skincare products is that they smell nice, but they don't smell overly fragrant. I mean, it probably has fragrance in it if I can smell something nice, but it's not an overpowering, headache-inducing fragrance, if that makes any sense. Ooh. Next thing is a Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. So they've got masks for all the places, like I said. This one is a berry one. Really cute little package. Smells so good. It smells like berry lollies. So lip products, always very good. I struggle with dry lips. Anyone else? So definitely need that. This one is an Aloe BHA Skin Toner. We've got a few toners and essences to try out here. See what it looks like on the inside. Really cute packaging as well. All of these things have really cute packaging. Okay, so it's a nice little bottle like that. Toner, it just looks like, you know, liquid water on the inside. And the last item is from the brand called Ionic. I'm not sure if that's how you say it. Ionic. I'll open up. I'm gonna stop trying because I don't know how to say it properly anyway. Let's open it up and see what the packaging looks like. I live for packaging. I'm a sucker for beautiful packaging. Ooh, that looks fancy. This one is a light oil serum. So it's for advanced anti-aging, rich moisturizing, and wrinkle care. It's gonna take care of your wrinkles, honey. So it's in a little glass bottle as well. It's got 50 mils in it, and that's a really cute thing to get. I like that. That'll be a really nice moment on your dresser table. I think brands are really stepping up their game when it comes to packaging these days. Are you one of those people who will literally purchase like a bottle of gin or a bottle of vodka 100% based on the label? I know I'm a sucker for that. I will 100% a palette or some makeup because of the packaging. Like, brands are really stepping up their packaging game, I tell you what. They will get ya. They will get you with the beautiful packaging. You know, these sets would make such amazing Christmas presents for yourself or for other people. It's just a bag that's full of really good value skincare. And I know that if you receive this or if a friend received this, you will not be disappointed with the items that you get in your bag, because literally everything that I've tried from Stylevana, with the exception of maybe a couple lip products, I've really loved everything that they've sent me so far. So you will not be disappointed if you do decide to purchase the lucky bag from Stylevana. So that was the last item in the lucky bag. It is now empty. So many beautiful skincare items for me to use and to try out. And I want to say thank you to Stylevana for continuing to work with me and collab with me over the last several months. Again, if you guys would like to purchase anything from Stylevana, I encourage you to use the code INF10Kikay to save 10 to 15% off your order. If you would like to purchase from Stylevana, all the links will be in the description box down below, and you guys can check them out. There's also so many other beautiful items of skincare and makeup on their website. So definitely go check them out and use the code to save money off your purchase. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. This one is an this product is an ultra nourishing, I can't speak today.